Empaka za National Teachers Debate Network ezitwire nizihindura St Peters narya omuri nakawa division omuri Kampala ezizibire zetabirwamo amashomero garu kurenga 37 okwetorera ihanga ryona.
This is the characterization we received from my first speech. From my first speech, we actually tell you that the cultural histories you are going to be forgetting are these bad cultural histories. Things like ignoring cultural education, things like ignoring education for all genders, things like bad cultural practices. We characterize for you what those cultural histories we are forgetting look like. But this then shows you that we are not going to be ignoring.
Parento ke yabushenyi babandize bazo mukwayana n'amashomero gandi kandi nabwanyuma bahika finals n'ishomero rya Par Junior okurugo mu Bushenyi obwo barukwaza nanshonge zibire zirimo okugambaje okwandikaje hamwe n'ebindi.
I thought asking for help would make me weak until I saw my friend cry after therapy. Respected judges, patrons present, teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Teta and today I stand before you to speak about a friend of mine.
Nabwanyuma ba Parento ke yabushenyi nabo barangirirwe nk'abasinguzo gundi murundi kandi abeje babo nabo bahangure biconco bindi.
Okay, and to this year's champion of TDN 2026 Teachers Debate Network Nationals.
Nabwanyuma hagire Empaka z'abakuru kandi abakigeze high school babasize kuritana n'aba Uganda matazi na mugongo obwo barukwaza nanshonga eyenkoresa yemikora ya internet.
Assumption of the fact that given this particular point that we're going to give is wrong and everything, I think given the fact that it's based on your interest and the kind of information you get is going to be particularly suited or like tailored towards a particular interest, right? But moving on.
We are trying to stop social media from operating in certain areas or specific areas unless they stop using algorithmic recommendations. And then what do the algorithmic recommendations look like in the first place?
Bitu nabwanyuma ba Uganda matazi na mugongo barangirirwe nk'abasinguzi kandi abakigeze high school bakwatogwa kabiri.
Drug abuse mu mashomero erone yongera kandi yongera no kongera kusisha amashomero kandi drug zeza zitaho mushomero abashomesa tubakazi kwata abana mbashireko mu magati bashireko musano izindi bazireta umushaho izindi bazitereka no mpanti ucubo ryaho uryo mwana ari mu domtre azakorga yasinze region mutukura.
Winning, it feels so good, especially to the fact that you deliver to the community. We are happy for adding to this country, especially the education system, being able to groom our learners in things that are going to make them the best citizens in the future.
But then with God, everything is possible. God helped us. But then the major problem we had and the challenge was competition was very high. Yeah.
Especially about my debates. During the debate, would come, sit, have a round, and the judges would always be like, it was a nice round. Some silent rounds, they wouldn't even tell us.
Our parents who have allowed us to come here, some parents can say that since their children are this, they should not go for tournaments, that they fear some things, but we thank our parents like all the debate club that have helped us to come here in this competition, and we also thank them for the prayers that they have sent for us.
Abasinjire nibija ko bane bazo mu Empaka umura Arusha Tanzania yo mukwamwendo mwakogu kandi ayibararuge barukuza South Africa mu Pretoria okwayana n'amashomero ku rugumura Afrika yona.
I think we're doing English.
Gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza umuri Kampala.